Hello class, my name is Thompson. I'm a trainer at Louisville Technical College TVET, and today we are going to complete the third part of our module, which is called radio receiver repair. Today's topic, we are going to see how to repair a radio receiver tuner. At the end of this session, each learner will be able to test the tuner circuit to replace defected component and to conduct after repair testing. A radio tuner is used to separate one sine wave from thousands of radio signal that antenna receives. And the purpose is to select one out of many available radio signal that the capacitor is allowed for turning. As you can see, I'm turning by the help of channel selector in order to reach the channel in which I need to listen. Now we are going to see the general faults which occur in radio receiver tuner. Firstly is when there is no input voltage. Each part of a radio receiver, such as a radio receiver power supply, a radio receiver amplifier, are working properly, are connected well, and you check to the output inlet of a speaker and it's working properly, but our radio tuner is not responding. There's no voltage through the circuit. That's the main fault of a radio receiver tuner, when there's no voltage input. It's when you try to tune in and then there is too noisy. Some shh, shh, shh. Those things, when they occur, is one of the general faults which occur in radio receiver tuner circuit. There is no input voltage when there is noise while you're trying to turn in. Those are the general faults occur in radio receiver tuner. When you already find out that there's those faults occur in your radio, what you have to do is to remind yourself soldering different components of radio receiver tuner circuit. As you can see at your own screen, you do it slowly. And also, you have to replace tuning capacitor. And finally, you have to replace different defected components of radio receiver tuner circuit according to the corresponding component. As you finish to replace defected component of radio receiver tuner circuit, you have to do what is called conduct after repair testing. In that way, you do what is called voltage measurement at different stage of radio receiver tuner circuit. As you can see, by the use of our digital multimeter, you do a voltage measurement of each stage. As we are learning together, I hope you are doing a practical exercise with me while we are learning together. After you finish to repair a radio receiver tuner, you do what is called assembling, which is to fix together separated pieces in order to form one wall. When you finish to repair your radio receiver tuner and you tune in and it's working accordingly, it means the task to repair a radio receiver tuner is done. And finally, while you finish to do assembling, you do what is called to clean the workplace accordingly by the use of cleaning tools such as brush, cleaning solution, blower, and so on. And after that, you manage waste materials accordingly and you treat them accordingly. Thank you for your attention. This is the end of our module, which is called radio receiver repair. I hope you learn more and you're doing practical exercise with me. See you next time. Enjoy.